Garlic is a bulbous plant in the allium family that is commonly used as a culinary ingredient and also for its potential medicinal properties. It has a pungent and distinct flavor that is commonly used to add flavor to various dishes and sauces. Boosts immune system. Garlic contains compounds that have been shown to help strengthen the immune system, potentially helping to fight off infections and illnesses. Reduces inflammation. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for a range of health conditions. Lowers blood pressure. Some studies suggest that garlic may have a mild blood pressure lowering effect, which could be beneficial for those with hypertension. Improves cholesterol levels. Garlic has been shown to potentially help lower LDL cholesterol levels and raise HDL cholesterol levels, which can have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. May improve cognitive function. Some research has suggested that garlic may have potential benefits for cognitive function, including memory and attention. It's worth noting that while garlic has been studied for its potential health benefits, further research is needed to fully understand the effects and how much garlic may be needed to see these benefits. As with any supplement or dietary change, it's important to talk to a healthcare professional before adding large amounts of garlic to your diet. Thanks for watching my video. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. If you liked my video, please do like and post your suggestions in the comments.